like it forever listening to the wheels on the bus go round and round. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, you see my attire? You know what time it is, right? You know what time it is. You know what time it is. It's workout time. Workout time. You guys, I'm about to jump on this treadmill. I'm not gonna run as I usually run this morning because I want to lift some weights. So I'm going to just warm up and then jump into weights and some abs real quick. Tyler decided that he was going to wake up earlier than usual this morning, which he has been doing for a few mornings. Come here. What's wrong with your fingers? The bus went bad. He's saying that the bus is washing. That's why he's saying the bus went bad. The bus is washing? Come here. The bus is washing. Say morning, Fibs.
Pink.
The bus is pink. Say morning, Fibs. How are you?
How are you?
Say I am okay.
The bus orange.
Yeah. Bus is orange. Anything else you want to tell the Fibs? Tell them Papa is gone to work.
The Papa work.
Yeah, and I am going to school.
And I should.
Yeah. And you woke up this morning and you drink chocolate? Yeah, you had chocolate. Now Mama is going to run.
Mama is going.
Yeah. And you're going to be a nice boy until Mama finish working out?
I'm going to bed.
You're going to bed? Alright, go to bed. Go under the cover until Mama finish. He's going to wrap up in the couch. You're going under the cover until Mama finish the workout?
The bus is red.
The bus is red. Go under the cover until Mama finish. You're going under the cover until Mama finish? No? Yeah. Alright, Mama is going to work out now, okay? Okay? Bye. He said, okay, bye. Anyway, you guys, baby's off to work. When we woke up, he was still here, so we got to chit chat a bit before he leave this morning. What are you saying? What happened? Come here. Come here. What? Clip off the fireman. Clip off the fireman. Clip off fireman from where? I don't understand what you're saying. Huh? The bus is red. Alright, go so Mama can work out. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to get some workout in. And make sure you guys get your workout in. Have a good day. Put a smile on your face. Stay determined, stay motivated on this beautiful Friday morning. Anyway, you guys, stay blessed, stay lovely, stay amazing, stay smiling, and I'll catch you guys after my workout. You guys, workout is done, so and I'm all fresh. I'm in my favorite place, of course. I'm making breakfast, which is going to be plantain and eggs, and I am cooking at the same time. I'm going to be making quinoa and whatever I decide to do with the shrimp and chicken breast, and then that's just going to go with some salad for dinner. So I'm on a roll because today is going to be a busy day. So I like to buy two different type of quinoa at the store. I buy this one, which when I'm on the go, I use this the most because it's already seasoned. It already have thyme, salt, pepper, everything in it. And all I just do is throw the salt into the pot. I also like to add additional little salt, and my quinoa is cooking no time. So that's how I'll be doing my quinoa today. And breakfast is heavenly, you guys. Heavenly. Now Tyler is gonna share this with me. I'm sure he'll be excited to see plantain and eggs. Tyler, look what Mama have. What is this? What is this? Yeah. Yeah. You love plantain and eggs, huh? Yeah. Say sure, it's hot. Hot. Why are you in my kitchen? Chocolate eggs. What's the magic word? I don't know if you have any more chocolate surprise. He's asking for chocolate surprise. Oh, there's one more. Dun 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 dun. Nah. Look at your happy face. What's the magic word? What do you? You're welcome. Let Mama open it for you. Come, get out of the kitchen for Mama to play. Come. Let me open it for you. Give it to Mama. Excited about the chocolate eggs. We love Kinder Surprise. Ooh. What do you say? You're welcome. Uh-oh, what's inside? Go bite it. Bite it. So dinner ended up being some sauteed chicken and shrimp in oyster sauce. That's as simple as it gets today. Nothing too fancy dandy. So this will cook in like 5 minutes. I'm just sauteing. Go on. Cool. Bonjour. Come on, let's go. Yes. Ready to go to school? Huh? Go on, go. We're on our way right now to do some supermarket shopping, some our Friday shopping as usual.
Hi guys. She's laughing at me.
We're heading to the supermarket right now. Friday afternoon run as usual. Friday night, the business in the cold. It's cold outside right now. In the nights it's always like this, and Tyler is in his back and make sure he's in his hat because he's really stuffy. I need to make my mind up and buy a humidifier. I keep forgetting, and that's my problem. I keep forgetting. You guys comment down below and let me know what you guys do to clear your child nose when it's stuffy. Do you just leave them be? Is there some kind of remedy that you use? Is there something? Because sometime at night it's a struggle for him to sleep, shawty. Struggle for him to sleep. Like, he will wake up like 3-4 times for the night and call us. So let me know, what are some of the ways that I can clean his nose apart from what we're already doing, which is flushing, which we do a lot. It helps for the moment but not for the long haul. Anyway, let's go run these errands, y'all. you guys, we've been out and about for a while. Got back home and Tyler fell asleep on our way back.
As usually.
He was really tired. He had a long day.
Tyler is a type of kid that you put him in a car and boom, 5 minutes
true.
after. Oh,
That's true.
he's a quiet kid in the car.
Yeah.
No have to complain. No have to complain.
Yeah, he's in the car and you don't even know he's in
Oh,
there.
yeah, he's quiet, and sometimes I'm driving like 3-4 hours, and every time I'm asking babe, Tyler sleeping? Say, oh no, she's here looking around.
And now we realize we have to be careful the music that we listen to in the
Oh,
car.
yeah.
The music that we listen to in the car.
The music and
He
everything.
is now blurting out every word of Chris Brown's song.
Not good at all. Have to change CD.
So we had to change CD earlier because I'm like, did he just say that? Did he just say that? Anyway, you guys, we're coming out to end the vlog because I'm feeling so puffy, so I need to go and have a cup of tea and relax. I'm skipping the wine tonight. I'm gonna have a cup of tea instead. So the Jamaican expression for today is drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. That's how drum goes. I can't do it. Anyway, that was a fail. The expression for today is fire for you. Fire for you. Or fire for them. It's very insulting. It's an insulting word. For example, you use this expression to refer to something or somebody who you don't like. So for example, if somebody is a child molester, you say fire for them. It simply means burn in hell. If somebody do something bad, if somebody's a rapist, you say fire for them.
Fire for you.
Yes. Fire for you or fire for
Fire
them.
for them.
If you're talking about somebody you don't like, you say
If you are
fire for
driving
them.
and you see the other man driving like a bad driver, say fire for you.
Well, I guess. Anyway, obviously you get it. So that's the Jamaican expression for today.
You want to know what's the French expression for today?
Yes.
You want to know?
Yes.
Perdre les pédales.
Okay.
Perdre simply means lose, and les pédales mean the pedals, like in the bike. Things, the pedals. So it's lose the pedals.
Okay.
Say it.
Perdre de pédales.
Les
pédales.
Right.
Perdre.
Perdre les pédales simply mean like to lose control of yourself. So, for example, somebody getting crazy and out of himself and say, oh, il a perdu les pédales.
Okay, cool.
So it's like to lose control of
It makes
yourself.
sense. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. I like that one.
Right.
So there you guys have the French expression and the Jamaican expression of the day. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Make sure you get it. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up. If it's your first time watching, don't forget to
Subscribe.
and
Comment. Turn on your notification bell.
Alright, you guys, comment down below, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.
Bye.